Hi everyone, welcome to BULUNMAZ YouTube channel. We are in BULUNMAZ Machine Factory today and I wanna introduce you a little bit about our machine factory and how busy we are, how the days are going this winter in our machine factory. BULUNMAZ Machine Factory is in Istanbul, Turkey, in İkitelli, the industrial region of city, Istanbul. We are producing for you here different machines for jewelry industry. We make different CNC milling machines, CNC lathe machines, mechanical faceting machine, mechanical lathe machine, different parts, different spare parts for your jewelry production. The entrance of our factory is pretty big, as you can see. It's just in the entrance of our, and the entrance we are mostly using for and of storage. Our machines are coming to this place just before being controlled and packed for the shipment. For example, this machine is going to another country, but it's waiting to be checked and packed before it's shipping. We reserved our first floor, the entrance floor, mainly for the rough production of our machines. For example, here you can see the casted parts. These are coming back from casting and they are being grinded, cleaned, taken in different operations. Here in this floor, everything is done except assembly. Just everything is before assembly process. All these rough parts are prepared here and even prepared in this CNC milling machine. For example, here there are fresh pieces which are done with our CNC milling machine. Soon we are getting more of these machines here and in this place because we love to invest in technology and that's really important to boost our production. We also got another CNC machine. That's a CNC lathe machine we are using a lot in our production. Here you see we have an order of small pieces today and we can even make huge pieces such as these ones with our CNC lathe machine. Our machinery is changing, developing every day. As I told you, we invest a lot in technology and that's really important for high quality and fast production. After all these parts are manufactured one by one, small or big pieces, they are ready to be assembled. That's the second part of our production. So in this first floor, you can consider all the production of the parts are done. And second floor upstairs, we have another department of assembly. The assembly department includes the assembly of all these beautiful parts into a machine, making the final checks into the machine, painting, electronic setup, software setup and the final checks of the machines. If you are ready to see the second floor, let's go upstairs. Let's start with the mechanical machines. Here you can see our BULUNMAZ lathe machine and BULUNMAZ faceting machine. All these parts you saw downstairs are here to be assembled into the machines. Today we have on production several inside lathe machines, outside lathe machine and 4 pieces of faceting machine. As you know, we are supplying our machinery all around the world. So probably all these machines you see here will be gone, will be exported to different parts of the world. So these babies will be going to Australia, Bolivia, Denmark, Egypt, Algeria, you never know, but they will be serving to different jewelry companies all around the world. Finally, I want to show you our CNC machines assembly department. Here you can see all these parts are electronic parts, different mechanical parts from our suppliers or different mechanical parts that we have been producing in our factory. Today I see 1 ring maker and 3 bangle masters. One of the bangle master is totally ready, it's ready to be shipped. Final customer, you know, bangle master is a really high-tech machine. It's working up to 12 axes and if you want to know more about our bangle master or different machines, you must surf in our YouTube channel because I'm making different videos about our machinery and posting YouTube every Friday. I hope you enjoyed our factory. I tried to show you one day in our factory. We have different kinds of production, we have different kinds of development here. We have action every day, goods are coming in and out every day. Hello, Mr. Emre.
Hello, welcome.
How are you? Oh, good. Nice to meet you. I don't see Mr. Emre for... How is business going?
Yeah.
Busy.
No problem.
Busy business. Busy business. Mr. Emre is busy. Sorry, I disturb you. I'm leaving.
No problem.
Take care. Hadi. Take care. See you. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you want more videos about our factory, about our company, technical videos about our products, how to use them, how to make new models, don't forget to subscribe BULUNMAZ YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next videos.